I'm going to now take you through the COVID-19 numbers in the state of Maharashtra. We're looking at a serious surge, but before that, overall cases in the country now. Active cases in India now currently stand at 5,52,566. These are the active numbers as of today given in by the Health Ministry. We're looking at the death toll in the country now at 1,62,468 there. And the recovered numbers in the country now stands at about 1,14,34,301. These are the numbers as of today given in by the Health Ministry. Of course, a big concern on the active cases, with Maharashtra itself comprising of at least 60% of the active cases in India. Now, the situation in Maharashtra, of course, seems to be quite grim, with COVID-19 cases in Mumbai on the rise. The civic body in Mumbai has now alerted all hospitals to activate the maximum number of beds in the city just to avoid any shortfall. Now, as panicked COVID-19 patients are already flocking to hospitals in the maximum city, is Maharashtra and Mumbai particularly staring at a bed shortage? Here's our India Today ground report.
Maharashtra is bang in the middle of a second wave of COVID-19, clocking on an average 30,000 COVID cases every day. With cases rising sharply, the health infrastructure in the state is being tested once again. In Mumbai, the BMC is taking stringent measures. The civic body will manage 80% isolation beds of private hospitals. All ICUs of private hospitals will be managed by the BMC War Room. Asymptomatic patients with no comorbidities will not be given a hospital bed. The BMC has ordered that all asymptomatic patients be discharged. All jumbo centers have been asked to operationalize their wards. 69 nursing homes are converted to COVID centers, adding 2,000 beds and 4,000 ICUs to the total tally.
Seeing the dangerous rise in cases, the Mumbai Municipal Corporation is now resorting to the arrangements that it had made in the year 2020. BMC fears that in the days to come, the daily count could well cross the 10,000 mark as well.
These measures come in the backdrop of concern that the city will run short of hospital beds. Mumbai's Bandra Kurla COVID Care Centre is expanding its facilities. As on Tuesday, Mumbai had just over 4,000 COVID beds available with 12,000 occupied.
बेड भरपूर मात्रा में अवेलेबल है. प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल ने भी बेड बढ़ाए हैं, गवर्नमेंट सेटअप ने बेड बढ़ाए हैं, जंबो हॉस्पिटल में बेड बढ़ाए हैं और आज ही हमने 2,500 बेड और छोटे स्मॉल नर्सिंग होम में उसमें भी बढ़ा दिए.
BMC allayed fears that the city was running short of beds.
डायरेक्टली लैब से रिपोर्ट ले लेते हैं. हमारे आदेश हैं हॉस्पिटल्स को कि डायरेक्टली कौन किसी को बेड अलॉट नहीं करेगा. पर ये जो लोग जो सिस्टम को ब्रेक करते हैं, जो हमारे सिस्टम को फॉलो नहीं करते, उनको मेरी यही रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप सिस्टम में रहिए. अगर सिस्टम से बाहर जाएंगे, यू विल बिकम फिश आउट ऑफ वाटर. आपको बेड नहीं मिलेगा. तो ये कारण है कुछ लोग बोलते हैं बम्बई में बेड नहीं है.
BMC says there is no scarcity of hospital beds, be it the public or the private. BMC Commissioner has impressed upon the fact that there is already a mechanism in place and that the people need to go by that particular mechanism. But the authorities also warn that if people do not abide by the rules and regulations, lockdown is not completely ruled out. With camera person Mahesh More, this is Pankaj Upadhyay in Mumbai, reporting for India Today.
All right, let me cut across to India Today's exclusive conversation with epidemiologist Dr. Jaiprakash Muliyal. He said the reason behind the surge in COVID-19 cases of late in India is because of people's reaction and relaxed behavior right after seeing a downward trend. Of course, also highlighting that the vaccination drive sort of motivated people to step out furthermore. Here are the details as to what exactly went wrong and how to correct it.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.